If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Revolut, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your transaction is successfully reversed. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Scroll through your transaction history to locate the pending transfer you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are usually marked clearly for easy identification. Step 4. Select the transfer. Tap on the pending transfer to open its details. This will give you more information about the transaction, including the option to cancel it. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the cancel option within the transaction details. Confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the cancellation of the pending transfer. Once you have completed these steps, your pending transfer should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for assistance.